everybody. How's everybody doing? Here I am, Saturday morning. I hope everybody's doing well around the world, taking care of each other, helping each other out. I've heard a lot of things here. Yeah, I've been behind the scene, but I am listening, guys. There are other people listening to us, and the idea is to share. There is no right or wrong way when you come on here to help humanity, to help other people grow, to share what you do in your life with others. Everybody here develops in a different way, but that's what makes us real, because we're real people talking on real time, real life situations, way to solve problems around the world, things that are occurring globally right now, and futuristic things that we're doing now and that are happening behind the scenes, if not right in front of your eyes. And people are not listening or are not applying what they listen. They hear things and then it goes out the other way, but they're not applying what they hear. So here's the surprising thing. When I'm here and I'm volunteering time and I'm trying to help the world become better, and we're stopping the COVID from continuing to spread, we're educating other people in different languages, everyone here is helping do that. So there's no way for us to start looking at what other people are doing, not doing. It's what you do that counts. It's not what you don't do. You can talk about a lot of things, but if you're not doing something, you're actually not being productive. If you're not being active on Webtalk, and other people that are complaining because the people below me are not being active, well, teach them, help them how to be active, show them, give them real life videos, go live, tell people what you want them to know. That's great. I mean, help them. You don't have to tell them. They're gonna know what to do if they're really listening. What is the number one reason that we're here? Is to listen and then to take into action. So if we're taking into action, let me tell you a little bit about me. I've been here briefly, guys, and I came on here wanting to teach, give of my time, help others. Thanks to these two gentlemen, Andy and Tim, I've been on here and I'm on here most of the time, and I only want to be on here on Webtalk because I know that Webtalk is like the best platform ever to exist. I know that futuristically, everybody on here is making it grow. And the only thing that I see for me is to be able to help others grow. And that's it. Help listen to others, comment, share. That's great. Remember, be you. If you're not yourself and you're trying to pretend to be a YouTuber or somebody else on another platform, don't do that. Don't do that. Be yourself here. I mean, there are great things that I hear you guys talk about, man, and the way you're doing it is awesome, because this is a learning process. This is a show and tell process. When we're talking about helping other people around the world learn how to produce their own food, the world isn't getting any better, and we're gonna need to learn how to be preservative about how we grow our food, eat our own peanuts, vegetables, become vegans maybe, because we know that meat is another issue. There are so many issues around the world, but the idea is to come on here and help each other. I know that I teach, I help. Right now, I'm into the COVID situation, helping people prevent this from continuing to spread, giving them great information. Everybody on here is awesome because you're talking in your own native language. You're also communicating. We're at a global level where everybody's communicating. And yeah, imagine that. We're doing it on beta. Isn't that kind of funny? And people aren't understanding that. Oh no, we're going to wait for the application. Keep waiting for the application. No, it's because some people aren't liking my comments or points. Don't worry about those things. Come on, guys. We're growing here. We're helping each other. As long as we continue to be a community, listen and act, we're going to grow. We're going to grow. That's all I have to say for now, guys. Thanks for giving me your moment.